Hi, Dave Kanicki here with the Farm Equipment Editor's Blog for May 31st, 2011. I'm not hearing much from dealers about poor sales levels these days, but I am hearing from dealers about sales they're losing because they can't get equipment from their majors to sell. It seems the smaller tractors are at the heart of most of these discussions. I heard from a dealer in the Southwest not too long ago with some scathing comments about his major supplier and how he's unable to get smaller tractors at an affordable price, and his competition is eating his lunch. And his biggest selling products are smaller tractors. I've heard from a few New Holland dealers, each of them pose the same question. If you were to pick up one of the other small tractor lines available out there, which one would you go with? Each told the same story. They can't get anywhere close to enough small tractors to meet customer demand. More recently, another dealer shared, I thought if prices would just get high enough, our sales problems would be over. We've lost 3 sales on mid-range tractors, 2 compacts, 1 mid-range loader and tractor combo, and other tillage implements because we cannot get the equipment. It's just not available. He says that dealers like to kid each other. What we have, we can't sell. What we can sell, we cannot get. Back orders are abundant from our lawn and garden business to the biggest ag units and parts. Our margins are up, but we're really concerned about the gross sales due to availability. It seems ironic that the majors demand dealer purity when they're not supplying the products their dealers need to remain pure. Some things just don't change, I guess. Thanks for checking in, and we'll talk to you next time.